Good morning and welcome to Bangkok. I am now no longer in Korea and finally in Thailand. So the next big step of my trip has started. Yesterday was my traveling day. So all I did was travel, and I didn't film a lot because I have to concentrate on what I'm doing at the time, so filming is really hard. I'm a little bit anxious when it comes to this, although I have flown a lot of times. But yeah, so I tend to forget to film. But everything I was anxious about was no problem in the end, as it always is, almost of the time. The one thing that was a bit, I don't know, that made me slightly anxious was the whole immigration thing, the whole visa thing. But it went without a hitch. So I had to show my visa when I left in Korea. So the staff there wanted to see that I have a visa for Thailand, and she wanted to see that I have something that tells them that I will leave the country again. And I booked my bus ticket to Cambodia. So I was good to go. And then, when I came here, so when I landed, the immigration officer wanted, of course I handed him my visa, and then he wanted just to see my boarding pass. So he saw my boarding pass, he saw my visa, he gave me the stamp, and he wrote in how long I'm allowed to stay, and that's it. That was all I had to do. And yeah, so now I'm here. The flight was wonderful. As you might have seen on social media, I spent a little bit more to fly business class, which meant I could sleep during the flight, which was nice. And also they took really good care of me, because I didn't order any vegetarian food beforehand, so they made sure they would find something that I could eat, which was very sweet of them. And yeah, so I landed, got my stuff, no problems. I just have the big backpack, as you might have seen. I don't think I posted anything about that. Well, I was able to break it down a little bit more than before when I came. And with the carry-on luggage that is like rollable, that's a suitcase and no longer a bag, it's way easier to travel. So I have the big backpack, I have the suitcase, and I have just a handbag. Perfect. I got myself a SIM card at the airport, right where you can get the luggage. You probably can get it cheaper somewhere else, but I just wanted to finally have internet again and to be able to do anything I need to do with my phone. And then I got a little bit more money because I had exchanged some money in Korea. I also took out money in Korea and changed that, but I got more money here because I think I will need the cash. So yeah, I might have enough money for the whole trip, for this part of the trip, so yeah, we'll see. And I took a taxi here. I could have taken the subway, but I thought, well, it's easier to just take a taxi so they can like let me off right at the gate. Yeah, no, I'm not sure if that was a good idea. The driver was not rude, but he was grumpy, and I understand why, because the traffic here is horrible. I mean, it probably took as long as it would have taken me if I had taken the public transport. I have never seen so many cars and so many like motorbikes just going through everyone with two people on them, with food. I will film it, you will see it. That's horrific. I now know I probably would be able to drive in Busan. I probably would also be able to drive in Seoul, but I wouldn't be able to drive here, I'm pretty sure. Also because it's the wrong way, which I forgot. Yeah, and I came to my flat. It's beautiful. I'm going to show it to you. Yeah. Afterwards, when I arrived, I put everything away because I don't like living from my backpack. Because I'm here for so long, I can just put it in the closet. So that's nice. And then I went and got some food at a 7-Eleven, so I just bought water, some other drinks, some snacks, so that I wouldn't starve. I brought the coffee with me from Korea, but it won't last forever, so I will need new coffee. And other than that, I am settled in, so now I will be going out. Today I will be going to a mall, a very big and famous one here, because I need a few essentials that I didn't bring, because I can't bring everything everywhere. And I used a lot of things up in Korea, so I will have to buy that, and I will have to get my nails done because they chipped. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I know. So yeah, today is very slow. We're going to start slow. I will get used to the city, to the people, to like the masses of people, not like that I have a problem with people, but to like the masses of people and to everything by just going to the mall and trying to get used to the weather. Because as you have seen, I have enjoyed my first cup of coffee outside on my balcony, and it took like 2 minutes and I was soaking wet because it's very warm and very humid. Which I wanted because I wanted to have a warm Christmas. That song probably wouldn't be as good as White Christmas, but I was dreaming of a warm Christmas and I will get that because it is definitely warm. It's like 30 degrees already. I think let's have a look. Yep. It will be 32 degrees today. So a hot Christmas it is for me. Yeah. I am looking forward to taking you on my trip with me. First Bangkok, then Chiang Mai. I will be going to Chiang Mai on the 12th, so in 10 days. And I will also go to the beach at Pattaya around Christmas. So Christmas will be spent at the beach, not only in the warm weather of Bangkok, no, it's going to be at the beach. Wonderful. It couldn't be better. So yeah, that's it from me. I will now enjoy the rest of my coffee. I will make sure that I can go outside. I will put on sunscreen because otherwise I will be look like bacon, but uncooked bacon. Yeah. And yeah, if any one of you has been to Bangkok before or Chiang Mai, feel free to leave in the comment section something that I should look at. Also feel free, if you not have been here and you want to see something, leave it in the comment section. I can have a look for you and you can decide whether or not it's worth coming here. I think that's a good idea. Yeah. And also, slight warning, there might be part of this vlog that I will dedicate to my big passion, my big love, which is BL dramas. And so there might be a part of not this vlog today. Maybe I will mention some things, but I'm thinking about doing like one vlog just about everything I can find that is BL related. So places we know from the dramas, or I don't know, we'll see. I might do that. I think that might be interesting and I think that would be fun. And if I meet anyone, you probably will only read about it because I'm way too socially anxious to talk to anyone. to talk to any of these boys. They're so young. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's stop here. I need to get ready. I need to take my first train ride and go to the mall. Let's go to the mall. Sorry. Talk to you later. Bye. Time for a room tour. So this is the entrance. Here is the bathroom. Whee! So you see I've already unpacked everything. Let's turn that back off again. Here is a big mirror. Oh. And I've already dressed myself. This is how I will go out. We'll see if I will die or not. This is the bedroom. I've hidden my big pack bag there. Dining table. Kitchen. TV and desk. And of course we have the balcony. Yeah. So you can see there's a pool there. There's also a fitness center where you can go in, and you can get food down there, but I think only like made food, not water or anything like that. So yeah, that's the place. One more thing I wanted to tell you is you have seen that when I booked the place there was a slight struggle because Airbnb is a bit iffy here. But the funny thing is, I don't think all the people that are running around here are like occupants. So yeah, there's a lot of tourists in this complex, and I'm pretty sure most of them are not staying for over 30 days. So yeah, it's a gray zone. Let's call it that. Just be aware that if you want to come to Thailand, have a look at the Airbnb things and decide for yourself if you want to do it or not. So yeah. And now, we're going to leave. get this one out. Well, I'm guessing it's not sticky rice because it's just milk, but... or something else. We will find out. Let's try this. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. So this is a bit salty. And then the red bean paste is sweet, so it's an interesting mix, but it tastes great. So I'm really happy.